Welcome to our channel Bright Maths. In this video, we are going to solve the equations 1 by 2x plus 1 by 4y minus 1 by 3z equal to 1 by 4, 1 by x equal to 1 by 3y, 1 by x minus 1 by 5y plus 4 by z equal to 2 by 15. This is a mixed fraction. We have to convert into proper fraction. In this system of equations, we have the variables in the denominator, that is 1 by x, 1 by y, 1 by z format. For that we have to take it as a, b, c. So let 1 by x equal to a, 1 by y equal to b and 1 by z equal to c. Now let us rewrite the given equations. First equation 1 by 2x. Here 1 by x is a. So we can write it as a by 2 plus 1 by y is b. So this is b divided by 4 minus 1 by z is c. So this is c divided by 3 equal to right hand side is 1 by 4. Take it as equation 1. Similarly, see the second equation. 1 by x is a equal to right side 1 by 3y. So this 1 by y is b. So we get b divided by 3. Take it as equation 2. And now see this third equation. Here 1 by x is a minus 1 by 5y. This 1 by y is b. So this is b divided by 5 plus 4 by z. 1 by z is c. So this is 4c equal to right hand side. This number is a mixed fraction. Here this is 2 by 15. That is multiply this 2 into denominator, 2 into 15, 30 plus numerator. So 30 plus 2, 32 divided by 15. Take this as equation 3. Now we have to solve the equations 1, 2, 3. We use the elimination method. That means equate any one variable and then eliminate. After that substitute and solve. Here see this second equation. We have a equal to b by 3. So this a value substitute in both first and third equations. Put a equal to b by 3 in first equation. Here if you put a equal to b by 3, denominator 3 into 2, 6. So this is b by 6 plus b by 4 minus c by 3 equal to right hand side 1 by 4. Now taking LCM, denominator, the LCM number is 12. See the denominator 6, 4, 3. So the LCM is 12. Taking 12 as LCM, here in the first denominator we have 6. 6 is 2 times in 12. So first term 2b. Second term, the number is 4. We have 4 3 times in 12. So that is 3 into b minus next term we have the denominator number 3. 3 is 4 times in 12. So that is 4c equal to right hand side 1 by 4. Now this denominator number we can cancel. Cancel this 4 and 12 3 times. The next step, this 3 cross multiply right side. Left side we have 2b plus 3b, that is 5b minus 4c equal to this 3 cross multiply. So 3 into 1, 3. Take it as equation 4. Next put a equal to b by 3 in third equation. So here for this a, we have to substitute b by 3 minus b by 5 plus 4c equal to 32 by 15. Now take LCM only for these two terms. Denominator we have 3, 5. 3 5s are 15. So 15 is the LCM. So we get 5b minus 3b, which is equal to 2b. So this is 2b by 15 plus 4c equal to right hand side is same 32 by 15. Take it as equation 5. Here in fourth equation we have the term minus 4c, and in fifth equation we have the term plus 4c. So now adding this we can cancel the term c. Adding the equations 4 and 5, this minus 4c and plus 4c get cancelled, and we get 5b plus 2b by 15 equal to, adding right hand side, 3 plus 32 by 15. Now take 15 LCM. Left side taking 15 LCM, 15 into 5, 75b plus 2b, that is 77b divided by 15. Right side also take 15 LCM, 15 into 3, 45 plus 32, that is 77 divided by 15. Now both sides we have same numbers, so we can cancel the numbers. So cancel 77 and 77. Similarly, denominator cancel 15 and 15. We can cancel this one time. So therefore b equal to 1. Next put b equal to 1 in fourth equation. This is the fourth equation. Here if we put b equal to 1, 5 into 1 5 minus 4c equal to right hand side 3. Now this plus 5 take right side, we get minus 5, and this 3 minus 5 is minus 2. So minus 4c equal to minus 2. We can cancel minus both sides, and then c equal to 2 divided by 4, which is equal to 1 by 2. Now put b equal to 1 in second equation, we can get the value of a. So a equal to, b value is 1, so this is 1 by 3. Now we have got the values of a, b, c. Therefore a equal to 1 by 3, b equal to 1 and c equal to 1 by 2. Just to take reciprocals, we can get the values of x, y, z. Because in the starting we have taken 1 by x equal to a, 1 by y equal to b, 1 by z equal to c. So finally take reciprocal and write the values. X is equal to, taking the reciprocal, 1 by 3 reciprocal is 3. Next y equal to, taking this reciprocal, 1 by 1 is 1. And z equal to, taking reciprocal of 1 by 2, that is 2. Therefore the answer is x is equal to 3, y equal to 1 and z equal to 2. We can check the answer. Substitute in any one of the given equations. I am taking the first equation. Here 1 by 2 into x value 3. So that is 1 by 6. Plus 1 by 4y, y value 1. So this is 1 by 4. Minus 1 by 3z, z value 2. So 3 into 2, 6. So this is 1 by 6. Equal to right hand side 1 by 4. Now see the left side, we can cancel 1 by 6 and minus 1 by 6. So we get the number 1 by 4. Right side also we have the same number 1 by 4. So the equation is satisfied. Therefore the answer is correct. Thanks for watching.